Here's my down and dirty redneck tapering jig. Get a piece of scrap. It's longer than the leg or piece you want to cut. I'm cutting legs for a table. Set your vents to the width of the scrap. Mark out the areas that you want your to set your taper. Then you take it, you set it on the lines. There's my 3-inch line right here, 2-inch line right there. So just take it and put a nail on one end, come to the other end, make sure our line's good, looks good. Boom, another nail. So you run it through the table saw, and then you've got your taper. No extra equipment needed. Now I got to pry it off and make 8 more.